Oh, sorry. Let me get this out of the way. You gotta go. Sorry. Oh. What are you doing, man? What, if you want to help, hey, you want to help grab a mop, I could use all the help I could get.
Can we just stop a minute?
I wish you stopped moving, you die.
Like a shark. That's what they call me. The Mako.
Are you making fun of me?
No, it's my nickname. It's my moniker. All the greats had one.
Great what?
Never mind. Look. So you work for this Count Chocula.
I don't work for anybody.
Yeah, but he hired you to take me out here and show me the cocoa fields.
It's not about the cocoa fields. It's about the nature.
Nature, yeah.
Not nature. The nature. The nature of a man. The nature of darkness. That's a snake. You eat a snake heart. You consume its soul. Those are the top producing cocoa fields on the entire continent.
So they're just mowing down trees.
Do you know what the most dangerous thing is to cocoa? Sunlight. Too much sun and the crops won't yield.
Well, there are thousands of acres of cocoa. The farmers are not going to cut down all the trees.
Those aren't farmers. That's the local government. They're in the timbers business. They're cutting down every tree in a square 100-mile radius. Off the record.
That's why he knows the crop report will be wrong. They don't know.
Thanks, man. That's awesome. I hadn't hit anybody in over 2 weeks.
So, who's gonna point out the big pink Argyle elephant in the room?
Listen, it's not that you're not two consenting adults.
But we need to be able to rely on each other.
And we need to be aware of each other's emotional states.
Their emotional states are fine.
It's not like we're having a real relationship. No, it's just...
Friends with bennies.
Well, I'd say it's,
it's not a bad way of looking at it.
Looks like you aren't the only two.
That is, at the same time, beautiful and very disturbing.
Guys, to the big star.
Big stuff.